let's see how to create a new page in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have a page that is not completely filled up yet. Now, as we all know, filling up a page automatically proceeds to the second page. However, let's say that we don't want to fill up this page and we simply want to go on to the next page. So there are two ways you can do this. Head over to the Insert tab, and first one is by clicking on the blank page. That will open up a new unformatted page for us. And the next one is the page break option, which will end the page right here and automatically move on to the next page. So for example, and just like that, you have a new page. I hope this helped. I hope you knew something new about adding pages in Microsoft Word. See you soon!